Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view deleted browsing history on Google Chrome in 2026. So if you accidentally cleared your history or lost your recent activity, these steps can help you recover what's possible. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our step 1, you need to check your Google account activity. So if your Chrome web browser was synced with your Google account, your browsing activity may still be stored. So here, simply go to Google activity page on your Google account. When you are in your web browser, you just have to look for the option of Google activity page. Then click on the option of welcome to my activity. Once you are here on this page, simply hover over to the left hand side and look for the option of the web and app activity. Here you will see the websites that you have visited, even if the history inside Chrome was deleted. So you can look for the available websites over here, and this way you can get your browsing history. In the second method, you just have to check your Chrome sync on the other devices. If you use the Chrome on your phone or any other computer, the history might still be there. So you need to open your Chrome on the secondary devices where it is opened already. Then click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, hover over to the top right hand corner, click on the option of the three dots and select the option of history. Now you need to look for the entries that are still saved. Chrome sometimes doesn't delete the synced history instantly on all of the devices. On your Windows, you can also look for the DNS cache. For that, you need to simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you will have to simply type a command prompt. So the command prompt looks something like this. When you type it, simply hit OK. So what this is going to do is, this is going to show you the recently visited websites that are stored in your DNS cache even after Chrome history is cleared. The important note here is that it won't show you the full timestamps or the exact pages, but it will also show you some of the domains. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to view your deleted browsing history on Chrome in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching.